Hello everyone. In this lecture we are going to discuss how to design a multiplexer from the given Boolean expressions. Okay, so have a look at this example. In this example, implement the following Boolean function using 4x1 max, that is f of abc which is equal to summation 1, 3, 5, 6. So let's take the expression f of abc which is equal to summation 1, 3, 5, 6. So here ABC means it is the 3 inputs, so we can write 8 possible combinations of inputs. Okay, 8 possible combinations of inputs we can write, but our required design is 4x1 only. So for 4x1 mux we are in need of 4 inputs and 2 selection line, but the given question is having 8 possible combinations of inputs ABC. Okay, so from this ABC, I am going to consider this BC as a selection line and A as a input. So for that, first I am going to construct the table as 4x1 mux. So 4x1 mux, I am going to consider D0, D1 and D2 and D3. Okay, so 8 possible combinations 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is A bar and this is A. So let's draw the table. Okay, so what are the values are given here? So the given values are 1, 3, 5, 6. So let's 1, 3, 5, 6 is the given value. Let's mark 1, 3, 5 and 6. So let's write the value. So this is a 0 and both values are having parentheses. So value is 1. Here 6 is having parentheses. The corresponding input is, it is A, so here A, and here 3, 1 is having the parenthesis, so the value is equal to A bar. So now we have identified D0 is equal to 0, D1 is equal to 1, D2 is equal to A, and D3 is equal to A bar. So let's draw the block of 4x1 mux with 2 selection lines. This is 4x1 mux, so D0, D1 and D2 and D3 and 1 output. So what is D0? D0 it is 0, so let's draw one ground symbol, and D1 is 1, so here the value is 1. D2 is A, so here I am going to take A as an input, and D3 is, it is A bar, so connect one inverter, and this is D3. Okay, so hence the 4x1 mux design is over for the given Boolean expression. Okay, right. Moves to the another one example. So have a look at this. So implement the logic function ABCD summation 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15 using 16x1 mux, 8x1 mux, 4x1 mux and 2x1 mux. So first understand the given question. So ABCD is given. So 4 variables are used. So 2 power 4 combinations we can write, that is 16 combinations. Okay, so 16 combinations is there. So what is our first design? First design is 16x1 mux. Okay, so for this 16x1 mux, 16 inputs and 4 selection lines are needed. Okay, so 4 selection lines are needed, and the given function is having 4 variables ABCD. So here I think here no need to do that merging operations because 4 inputs are given, 4 selection lines are needed. So we can map this ABCD as 4 selection line for this 16x1 multiplexer. Okay, so no need to create truth table here. We can directly go for multiplexer design. So have a look at this. Here the block is given. So it is started from D0 to D15. Okay, and 4 selection lines S0, S1, S2, S3 is given. So A, B, C, D, the 4 input variables are considered as selection line here. Now, what is D0 to D15 values? So D0, the value is equal to 1 because here 0 is given. Okay, that is D0 is equal to 1, D1 is equal to 1, D3 is equal to 1, D4 is equal to 1, D8 is equal to 1, D9 is equal to 1 and D15 is equal to 1 because these are all the values are given values. Okay, so that's why I have taken directly 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15 as the input for this design. Okay, remaining all other variables are equal to 0. That is, the zeros are D2, D5, D6, D7, D10, D11, D12, D13, D14, and D15. So these values are equal to, sorry, not a D15, these values are equal to 0. Okay, so see, all the inputs values are connected as per this values. D0, D1, D3, see, D0, D1, D3, then D4, D8, and D9, and D15. These are all connected with logic 1. Okay, right. So I hope you guys are understand this 16x1 multiplexer. Next we'll move to the 8x1 multiplexer design for the same input. Okay. So see, this is a 8x1 mux. So 8x1 mux, but our given values are 4 variables. It is having A, B, C, D. So 16 possible combinations are given, but here our required design is 8x1 mux. For this 8x1 mux, 3 selection lines are needed. So I'm going to consider the given inputs B, C, D as a selection line and A as an input. So I'm going to create a table like this. See, 8 inputs. So D0 to D7, 8 inputs are written, and all possible combinations, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 15s are also written, and A bar, A is taken as an input. Now mark the values on the given values. The given values are 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. So let's mark the value. 0 is marked, 1 is marked, 3, 4, 8, 9 and 15. All the values are marked here. So here both the values are having brackets. So the value is 1. Here also the value is 1. Here A bar alone, and here A bar alone, and here A alone. So once find all the values of D0, D1 up to D7, let's draw the block and write the values from D0 to D7. Then here selection lines. Okay, then take the corresponding inputs for all the 8 datas, D0 to D7. So D0 and D1 is 1. So see, D0 and D1 is connected with 5 volt power supply. And D2 is 0. Have a look at this D2, and D2 is connected with this ground. And D3 is A bar, D4 is A bar. So D3, D4 is connected with A bar. So this is A, and here it is A bar. And D5 and D6 are 0. D5, D6 are connected with this ground again. And D7 is A, so D7 is connected with here A. So now 8x1 mux is over for the given Boolean expression. Okay, and the next design. So now 4x1 mux, the same concept, that is the same values 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. That is 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. So 16 given, that is A, B, C, D are used, but now our design is 4x1 mux. So 4x1 mux, 2 selection lines are needed. So I'm going to consider this CD as selection line, this AB are input. So AB is input means 2 inputs, so 4 possible combinations, that is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 combinations. Okay, so 4 inputs, 2 selection lines. So let's create the table. So see, D0, D1, D2, D3 are 4 inputs. So, and this inputs are started from 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay, so have a look at this. 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 15 is written inside the table. Okay, so now mark the values as per the given Boolean function. So given Boolean function is 0, here it is 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. So 0 is marked, 1 is marked, 3, 4, and 4, 8, 9, 15. So 8, 9, 15. I think this 5 is wrongly marked. So this is 5 alone. Okay, fine. So now we are going to find the expressions using came up here. Let us see. This is F1 and this is F2, and here it is 0 and this is F3. So why they represent here F1, F2, F3 means because see, more than one table is marked. So I'm going to use K-map to find the expressions. Otherwise, we can directly simplify this. See, let me simplify directly. F1, which is equal to 1, 2, 3 places design parenthesis, that is A bar B bar plus A B bar plus A bar B. Okay, so from this, I think from first and third I can take A bar outside, so it is B plus B bar will come plus again A B bar. Okay, so this value is equal to 1. So again A bar plus A B bar. So I think for A plus A bar B, so we can use one distributive law here. So A plus A bar B, which is equal to A plus B. This is one of the law. So here in place of A bar is there, and B bar is there, and A bar A is there. So here the answer is A bar plus B bar. So D0 answer is A bar plus B bar. See, D0 the answer is A bar plus B bar. So this is A and this is A bar, and this is B and this is B bar. So A bar, this is OR gate plus B bar is given to the D0. Similarly, F2, here two things are marked, that is here one and this one, that is A bar B bar plus A bar B. A bar B bar plus A bar B. So we can take A bar outside. It becomes B plus B bar. Okay, so the answer is here A bar. Okay, think the D1 line is coming from here A bar. Okay, and D2 is default 0, and D3 is, that is F3 is, again it is marked A bar B bar AB. So we know that A bar B bar plus AB, which is equal to one exclusive OR gate. So we can directly use exclusive OR gate here. See, this is the exclusive OR and this is one NOT gate, so it is exclusive NOT gate. So in this way we can design for 4x1 mux. So we need to use K-map simplification or Boolean simplification after drawing the truth table. Okay, right, we'll move to the next one, 2x1 mux. So our given input is 4, by 2x1 we are in need of only one selection line. So I'm going to use D as a selection line, remaining 3 variables are going to act as an input. So here two inputs are needed, D0 and D1 is, right? So let's write D0 and D1, and this side A, B, C are going to act as an input. So write it down, the 8 possible combinations. It started from 000, this is 001, 010, then 111. Okay, right. So let's mark the numbers from 0 to 15, and as per the given function, that is given function is, it is 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. 0, 1, 3, 4, 8, 9, 15. So we need to mark these values inside this table. So 0, 1, 2, so 3, 4, 8, 9, and 15 is marked. Okay. So 15 is marked. So now which are all the numbers are marked? So we need to consider those places values are equal to 1. So see, this value is equal to 1 here, 1 here, 1. Then directly we can go for K-map simplification. That is 3 variable K-map is needed here. Let's mark the 3 variable K-map and find the expression. This is A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1. Which are all the places values are 1? 0001, 0101, 001, 0101, and this one is 011. Sorry, 100. 100 the value is 1. So 100 the value is 1. So we can make these two are one pair, and this one is one pair. So the expressions are, for this is B bar C bar plus A bar and C bar. Okay, so this is the expression for the first D0. Similarly, in this manner we are going to calculate D1 also. Okay, once we got the expression, see, two expressions got it, then draw the block with the 2x1 mux with the two inputs D0, D1. Then here A, B, C are inputs, use the proper logical gates and take the inputs from the corresponding ABC and draw the logical diagram.